Today I am going to teach you about pet animals. This is dog. What does dog say? This is cat. What does cat say? This is puppy. Puppy is the baby of dog. Yes. This is kitten. Kitten is baby of cat. Yes. This is parrot. It's a bird. It goes quack, 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 quack. This is guinea pig. It says cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. This is rabbit. Rabbit goes hop, hop. See? Hop, 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 hop. This is goldfish. Goldfish goes. No way. This is hamster. Hamster goes squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Today I am teaching you about the zoo animals at the zoo. Okay, this is bear. Bear says roar. Bear says roar. Yes. This is tiger. Tiger says roar. 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 This is elephant. Elephant goes woo. Woo. Elephant. This is zebra. Zebra goes. Zebra is like your chaddi. Stripy, stripy, stripy chaddi. This is monkey. Monkey goes. What does monkey goes? Yes. I want banana. Yum yum yum. Banana. Yum yum. Yeah. This is lion. What? Yes, lion says roar. 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 Oh no. This is rhinoceros. It goes. No, it goes grunt, 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 grunt. What are you doing? Dinosaur and rhinoceros don't say grunt. This is snake. Snake goes. You know, Abhi, I am born in the snake year. I am going to eat you. Nom, 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 nom. Ayansh, you just in time for the giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe. See, this is the baby and this is the mommy. Giraffe. Now we are going to talk about farm animals on the farm. Yay! This is a cow. Moo. Cow says moo. Moo. Yes. This is duckling. Duckling says quack, quack. Quack, quack. This is chicks. Chicks say quack. This is goose. Goose say purr, 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 purr. This is hen. Hen says pakak, pakak. This is pig and this is piglet. Piglet is baby pig. Pig says oink oink. Piglet says oink oink. This is goat. Goat says meh, meh, meh. This is sheep. She says ba ba, ba ba. This is lamb. Lamb is baby sheep. One last one. two last ones. This is horse. Horse is neigh, neigh. This is baby horse. Baby horse is called a foal. Say bye-bye.